All right, good morning, traders. Today is November 27, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Thank you for being here. Good morning and happy Thanksgiving, traders. Everybody have a wonderful holiday. Please drive safe. Want to see you here on Monday. All right, my SPY pivot this morning is 598.98. Above it, I'm a bull, and below it, I'm a bear. SPY closed, 2-hour uptrend and a 10-minute uptrend. SPY, Diamond Dow, XLI, and XLF all made new all-time highs again yesterday. All of the Fab 5 are still in daily uptrends. FNGU, QQQ made inside days, closing over bullish traps over their 17 EMAs. IWM made a lower low and a lower high, closing above the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Gold in a downtrend made an inside day closing under a bearish cross under the 17 EMA. Inside day is a lower high and a higher low. Silver in a downtrend made a higher high and a higher low, closing under a bearish trap under the 17. UNG in an uptrend made a lower high and a lower low, closing over a bullish trap above the 17. USO in an uptrend made a lower high and a lower low, closing under the bullish trap under the 17. US dollar index still in an uptrend. Closed near the 106.83 area. US dollar currently backing off of the 23-month high. All right, let's go take a look at some charts this morning. First one we'll look at is SPY. Okay, so my pivot this morning. Okay, 598.98, which is right about there. Okay, that's the pivot this morning. So above it, I'm a bull, below it, I'm a bear. All right, so you can see here on the where do I want to start an entry? All right, so this doji up here. Well, if we take that red doji out, that would be my bullish green erases red entry right there, right over that doji. Okay, that's about 601.20. All right. So here's the first one. So that would be my bullish green erases red. On the other side, all right, if we take out this red candle down here, or that green candle down there, that initiates this move up. Okay, so below 598.20 down here is the bearish side. All right, so I would want to be a bear. That would be the red erases green entry below 598.20. All right, so there's the upside. Green erases red up here. Okay, 601.20. On the bearish side, red erases green here. 598.20. Want to be a bear. Look for gap fill, and then low of day for yesterday. All right, that'd be SPY. All right, let's take this out. All right, take this out. Okay, we'll leave the pivot in, and you can see we closed on the 10-minute chart. Here's the 10-minute chart. Got the faster moving average, which is the 3. All right, the thin yellow line up over the white line right there. So that's the 8 EMA. So we've got a 10-minute uptrend going into the close. What else do we got? We got let's check out the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart. You can see right here, you got price and the faster moving average, the 3 up over the white. Okay, all 3 of them up over the 17. All right, so there's SPY on the 2-hour. We have a 2-hour up. So all we really need, okay, back on the 10-minute, is a 10-minute green candle, all right? Because we already have that uptrend. We just need a 10-minute green candle, but that green candle can't be a topping wick candle, okay? Because that's not a sign of bullish strength. Can't be a doji candle. That's not a sign of strength either. That's just a sign of pause and possible change of direction. Can't be a red candle because red's moving in the wrong direction. That's definitely not a sign of strength. All right, so we don't want any dojis. We don't want any topping wick candles. We don't want any bearish engulfing. All right, and we don't want any red candles. Okay. All right, as long as we get a decent green candle, we can buy into that to go higher. All right, so there's the marching orders for this morning. Again, got the 2-hour uptrend. Now I like to play. I like to trade 10-minute uptrends inside of 2-hour uptrends. So right now, you can see we have a 2-hour uptrend. Okay, so looking for that 10-minute uptrend inside those 2-hour uptrends. All right. So there's SPY. Let's take a look at it on the daily chart. SPY digs out a brand new all-time high yesterday. Okay, higher high, closing over the trap, over the 17, over the prior high anchor VWAP. We have the MMRP pattern playing out. We get my drawing tools. Let's go ahead and go through this. Okay. First section. All right, we'll draw off the tools and map out. Here's the first 4 igniting candles right here. So we'll see if it's going to work. It's not going to work. All right. I can fix this. I can fix this. Just go up here, close it out. Not to worry. And reopen it. And it's coming up right now. I want to show you the MMRP pattern. All right. Get the box. Get the green box. Get the right size. Okay, so there's our first igniting move. MMRP stands for market makers reversal pattern. See, price is coming down here. So price was coming down right through there. And then all of a sudden we jerk into the other direction. Okay. Breaking through. Okay. Resistance overhead. This would be the resistance. Right up there. See how we break through? Come back and we're going to test it over here. Okay, so there's a breakthrough. The next one comes the pause. The pause. All right. So we got four candles of pausing. All right. They're stunned. Oh my God! What just happened? Can you believe that? We just went this far that fast. This is crazy. They're stunned. So they're paused. All right. Then we check the support area. That would be this area right here. The top of those wicks. The top of this consolidation. So we check it right there. So now we're going to do a check. 4 days of checking. Okay, because it's a 4-day pattern. So each group, all right, each component of the MMRP is going to be a group of 4 candles. Group of 4 candles igniting, a group of 4 candles pause done, a group of 4 candles holding, checking support. They held support. Okay, so the next 4 candles, are going to be our first price advancement candles. Okay, so this is our first price advancement candle right there. Okay, or first price advancement move. Now we're looking for two more groups of 3. Groups of 4 moving to the upside. So the next one, all right, should get another group making a higher high and a higher low. Another group of 4 candles. Today starts out group number 2. All right, and then we'll see group number 3 will be up there. Again, we wanted to make higher lows and higher highs. All right, so you can see there's SPY on the market makers reversal pattern. So here's igniting, 4 candle move igniting, 4 candle move pause done, 4 candle move checking support, a 4 candle move price advancement move. This is price advancement number 1, price advancement number 2, and then price advancement number 3. All right. So there's SPY on the MMRP pattern. Okay, so I'm looking for targets of 620. We'll see how close we get. All right. So there's the MMRP pattern. Want to share that with you. Let's go check out some of the indexes. All right. First, let's start off with, let's go with QQQ. All right, here's QQQ putting in an inside day, lower high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Okay, the trap is nothing more than the 8 EMA and the 3 EMA. Okay, if the faster one is above, okay, the slower one, which is the 8, that would be a bullish trap. If it's below, it would be a bearish trap. Okay, so closing over the bullish trap, over the 17, over the prior all-time high anchored BYOB. All right, over in quadrant 4 and up over a prior all-time high anchored BYOB. Okay, so you got one prior all-time high, two prior high, and then three prior all-time highs. Okay, so this is one prior all-time high. That's another prior all-time high. That's just a recent high. But over those anchored VWAPs, that's bullish. Okay, everything about QQQ still very bullish. Let's take a look at FNGU. All right. In GU, this would be the all-time high. Price is up over it. That's bullish. Consolidating in quadrant 4. That's also bullish. Price moves up. Price moves up and then over to the right. That's also bullish. Holding the higher ground. I like that. Price closing up over the trap. Okay, we're up over the trap, over the 17 EMA. That's bullish. Closing up over in quadrant 4 and over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Both of those also bullish, making higher lows and higher highs. It's a daily uptrend. That's bullish, and you can see right there, moving up and holding the higher ground. Also bullish. Everything's still very bullish about FNGU. Let's take a look at IWM. All right, IWM making higher lows and higher highs. Still in a daily uptrend. That's bullish. Up over a prior all-time high anchor VWAP. That's bullish. Price action, lower high, low, closing over the trap. Also bullish. Over the 17 EMA. Also bullish. Up in quadrant 4. Also very bullish. Everything's still working good on the IWM for the bulls. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow, putting in new all-time highs. Okay, don't need to say anything else. It's a new all-time high. It doesn't get any better than that. All right, Diamond Dow up in quadrant 4, over the trap, over the 17, up over the prior all-time high anchored VWAP. It checks all the boxes. Diamond Dow. All right, it's bullish and in an uptrend. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. I think we got them all. Let's go take a look at our technicals. T2122. We spent the door walking in and out of the threshold between the buyer's chop zone and the buy zone. It's still very bullish. Okay, maybe we climb back into the overbought zone. This could be a higher low, which we wind up in the overbought zone. We'll see what happens. T2122, still not a bad place to hang out. Okay. On T2123, you saw where T2122 is. It pulled back a little bit. Look at T2123, green all day long yesterday. Moving up again. You know I like this. Price moves up and holds the higher ground. Beautiful. Okay, remember the day before was a new all-time high for T2123. The market is still very bullish. Closing up over a flat 200, now starting to curl up. So everything looking good on T2123. Now we look at the same chart, only on the 3-bar time frame. Okay, right here, same thing. Price action puts in 3 more green candle bars. Okay, because it's just a 3-bar day. All right, closing up in quadrant 4, holding the higher ground, up over the rising 200 SMA. Everything still looking great on the T2123 3-bar chart. Okay, let's take a look at FNGU. Yesterday's price action. Green. All right, moving up, holding the higher ground up over kind of a flat 200 SMA here. All right, so moving up, holding this higher ground, pulling back. Maybe they find a catch on the top side of this. Hopefully they do. We'll see what happens. Everything looking good on FNGU, transitioning down here, up and over the 200 SMA. Like that. Okay, we like it when FNGU is bullish. We also like it when we got current consolidation right here, up over prior consolidation down here. Okay, that's bullish for me. All right. Consolidation over prior consolidation, always bullish. All right. Move up. Okay. Move up and hold the higher ground. Also bullish. Up in quadrant 4. Okay. Also bullish. So everything looking good on FNGU. All right. So we'll take a look at a few sectors. We'll start off with precious metals. Let's get this. All right. First one we start off with silver. Silver started a new downtrend 3 days ago. Okay, right there, because they broke this low and this low, so that's a downtrend. They made a lower low, so they are in a downtrend. All right, so silver, all right. Yesterday higher low, higher high, closing under a bearish trap under the 17 EMA. All right. Silver still in a downtrend, not on the other side of the 50-yard line, which is the midpoint of the quads. Okay, still closing candles underneath here. Not so bullish anymore, okay? Kind of neutral hanging out here right now. Underneath two prior 12-year high VWAPs right there. Okay, not so bullish. All right, so silver kind of loses some of the gusto. Holding the support line right here. All right. Breaking through support, coming down here, breaking major support, okay, would be price falling apart for silver. So we got a lot of stuff that can get out of here. Take that out. We don't even need some of this stuff. And remove that. Now we're just down to the quad lines. You can see the midpoint price closing candles underneath the midpoint. Not so bullish, right? In a daily downtrend because they made a lower low. Almost got a head and shoulders showing up here. See, this would be the head. This would be the right shoulder. That'd be the left shoulder. There's silver. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold also in a downtrend because they broke this low. In order to recover that downtrend and transition back to an uptrend, they got to take out the all-time high. Okay, price action yesterday for gold. Okay, got themselves a lower high and a lower low, closing underneath a bearish cross. That's the 3 crossing over the 8. Okay, under it. So they're closing under a bearish cross. That's not so good. Closing under the 17. That's not so good. Barely holding on to the upper third. That's not so good. But the bullish side of this equation is still up over the midpoint. Okay. Closing under the all-time high anchor VWAP. That's not so good. Let's go look at a prior all-time high anchor VWAP. See what we got. See just what things look like if we get that. Yeah, that's not so good. Okay. Take that out. Doesn't get any better. Okay. So, all in all, right. Gold still have some remnants of bullishness. Okay, they haven't broke the 50-yard line. They are in a downtrend. All right, they're going to have to really do a lot of work technically to recover this downtrend that they just started. All right. So there's gold in a downtrend. So that might be it for gold for 2024. We'll see what happens. All right, next sector, start off with UNG. UNG in an uptrend. Getting some wild price action here. So UNG yesterday, that's this red candle, lower high, lower closing, over a bullish trap, over the 50-yard line, the midpoint, okay, over the 17 EMA, okay, all that's bullish. All right, just made a lower high and a lower low. Price action, all right, as a group making higher lows and higher highs. That's an uptrend. All right, so UNG struggling to keep candles up over the yard line or the midpoint. Once they get them closing up there, we can see a move up to this breakdown candle high. All right, that would be my first target. Would be that breakdown candle high. This UNG in an uptrend. Got the inverse head and shoulders. Here's the right shoulder, left shoulder, and this would be the head. All right, so here's UNG. Let's take a look at USO. All right, USO in an uptrend. All right, if they break this low or this low, they'll be in a downtrend. All right, currently in an uptrend and not moving up. Price action for USO, lower high, lower low, closing under a bearish cross under the 17 EMA. So USO still in an uptrend, just not moving up. Let's go take a look at a few sectors real quick. All right, SMH, all right, in a downtrend because they made a lower low right here. Okay, there are some bullish kind of neutral being right here on the midpoint. They're on the bullish side of the neutral zone. All right, so SMH still in a downtrend. SMH closing candles underneath the 17, underneath the trap, and underneath the all-time high in BYOB. Okay, the only thing good happening is they seem to be holding this area above the midpoint. All right, today's candle looks like another lower low and a lower high. We'll see what happens. There's SMH today. Still in a down. All right. Let's take a look at XLF. XLK technology. All right, XLK doing a little bit different. A little bit better off on XLK than we are on SMH. XLK making higher lows and higher highs. That's bullish. Okay, closing over the trap, that's bullish. Closing over the 17, that's bullish. Closing up in quadrant 4, that's bullish. Closing up over the prior all-time high anchored VWAP, that's the pink line, that's bullish, right? Everything looking great in the technology sector. Okay, let's go find out what's going on in XLF. Okay, XLF making brand new all-time highs, enough said. Okay, doesn't get any better than that. Okay, let's take a look at XLI. XLI making new all-time highs. It doesn't get any better than that. Okay, let's take a look at XLU. XLU yesterday making new all-time highs. It doesn't get any better than that. All right, let's take a look at XLE. XLE kind of struggling here up in quadrant 4. Not liking that big red candle a couple days ago. Anyways, price action for XLE, lower high, lower low, closing under bullish trap, but over the 17 EMA. That's still bullish. Closing up in quadrant 4. That's still bullish. All right, closing up over the all-time high anchored VWAP. Also still bullish energy. Probably about to put in a bull flag up here in quadrant 4. We'll see what happens. Still very bullish on XLE, even with that red candle. Okay, just got a little pullback. All right, just hold this area, this upper third. Okay, now we're on top of minor support. So where's minor support? See this wick, this bearish engulfing, this wick. This is our minor support area right through there. It's kind of runs right along the upper third. Okay, hold this upper third, minor support, get a bounce, go up and challenge the all-time high. We'll see what happens. Hey, good morning, Lenny, Fido, Brad, everybody. Thank you for being here. So there's XLE. Next one, XRT. Let's take a look at XRT, so retail sector. Okay, XRT breaking out of the base, all right? So big 3 move, igniting out. Little pause, maybe they come back and check the top side of this, create an MMRP pattern. We'll see what happens. Okay, this is a 10-month consolidation. Okay, you can see we came from here. We moved up, and we held the higher ground. That's bullish. Okay, you've got 10 months of consolidation, and now we're breaking out of this bull flag consolidation. Notice the bull flag almost twice as long as the flag pole. Okay, breaking out of the bull flag consolidation right here. Nice breakout. Hope they can hold it. All Price action yesterday. Lower high, low, closing over the trap, over the 17, up in quadrant 4. Everything's still bullish. Up over the all-time high anchored VWAP right there. So that right there is a, well, that's a 3-year, almost a 3-year high. All right, almost a 3-year high. So not quite 36, maybe about 34, 35-month high right there on XRT yesterday, a couple days ago. Okay, so there's XRT, very bullish on the retail sector. Last one, IYT, price action. Look at that. IYT yesterday, new all-time high. Can't complain about that, right? Look at price action this morning, looking like another new all-time high. Okay, enough said. Doesn't get any better than that. New all-time high on the transports. Love that. All right, let's take a look at the economics package. All right. Start off with the dollar. Ooh, I like this coming down. Price action closed yesterday around 106.83 area on the U.S. dollar. We want the dollar to be weak because it makes our goods and services more competitive. Now this morning you're going to see what happens with the effects of a weak dollar, because we're going to get GDP is going to report. So I don't know how it's going to look. If it's going to measure November's sales and price action, or if it's going to measure October's movement or September's movement. All right. But GDP comes out at 8:30 today. All right. So GDP is how much we take in as a nation, selling to other nations. So you want a high GDP. It's good for us to sell products and services to our neighbors. That means we take in revenue whenever we do that. When we have more exports than we do imports, that's very good for us. All right. We want to be the vendor, not the not the buyer. All right. We want to be the buyer, not the consumer. We want to be the vendor. All right. That's what we are. We're businessmen. We want to be selling to other nations. We want to sell more than what we take in. All right. I don't think we'll ever make more than what we take in, because we take in so much from other countries. But it's good when we have a nice high GDP over anything 3 or 4 over 2.5 is pretty good. All right. We don't want to go under 2.5 though. All right. So there's the dollar this morning. Okay, earnings. All right. Nothing really going on this for the rest of the week here on earnings. It's going to be some familiar names, but nothing that's going to move the markets. You can see here, small caps. Going to be some familiar names. Nothing that's going to move the markets. Okay. That's it right there for the earnings. On the economic calendar, it's coming up here. Max Payne. All right, Max Payne for today, $5.99, and we got one third puts to every call, and that's for the SPY. All right. Economic calendar today, we got durable goods 8:30, GDP 8:30, international trade and goods 8:30, jobless claims 8:30, corporate profits 8:30, retail inventories 8:30, wholesale inventories 8:30, Chicago PMI 945, personal income and outlays 10, pending home sales index at 10, petroleum report at 10, and a gas report at noon. Okay. Today in the room closes at noon. All right. So I'll be cutting out of here before noon or around noon. All right. So just letting you know, the market closes at 4 o'clock. All right. Thursday we're closed. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Friday it's going to be Black Friday, and we're going to have the market's going to close early at 1. The room will not be manned on Friday. Okay, we got SI, FMA, early close right there. NYNZ, early close. Farm prices at 3, Fed balance sheet at 4, nothing really happening, and an OPEC meeting sometime on Friday. So that's it, traders. All right, big news coming out here right now. All right, so we'll see how the market perceives this, and see if we get juiced up a little higher. All right. All right, traders, I'll be back in 45 minutes. Leave your questions, and we'll kick off the market, and then after that, I'll be going to head out. All right. Thanks, everybody.